Lesson name is A Bottle of Dew. Warm up. Match each country with its flag and currency. India's flag. Indians currency. Italy.
Italy's flag.
Italy's flag. Italy's currency. USA.
USA's full form
USA full form
is
is
United
United
States of America.
States of America. USA currency. China. China's currency. United Kingdom in flag. United currency. Next page. Before we are going to the lesson, once we will read the word file. Dew is drops of water that gather on the ground and on leaves during the night. A potion is a drink that people think has magical effects. A pauper is a poor person. A sage is a very wise person. If you tend something or someone, you look after them. A crop is a plant that is grown for food, usually on a farm. The word crop is often used to talk about the amount of food that a farmer produces. If someone mutters, they say something very quietly and not clearly. Dismay is a feeling of begins very upset or worried. Something that glints, shines or looks very bright. If you are astonished, you are very surprised. Reading. The story you are going to read is called A Bottle of Dew. Dew means dew is drops of water that gather on the ground and on leaves during the night. By Sudha Murthy, it is one of the 37 short stories you can read in the book The Magic Drum and Other Favorite Stories. This table is about a man who dreams of becoming very rich by using a magic potion. Magic potion means a potion is a drink that people think has magical effects.
Let's go to lesson.
Let's go to lesson. Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him large tracts of land when he died, but Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. This was because he had a funny idea that there exists a magic potion which, if touched to any object, turns it into gold. He spent all his time trying to learn more about his potion. People cheated him, often promising to tell him about it, but he did not give up. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramanatha was spending. She was sure that soon they would be life paupers. A pauper is a poor person. One day a famous sage. Sage means a sage is a very wise person called Mahipati came to their town. Ramanatha became his follower and asked him about the potion. To his surprise, the sage answered, "Yes, in my travels in the Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process." Next page. Tell me, instead Ramanatha not believing his luck, you have to plant a banana tree and water it regularly with your own hands. In winter, the morning you will settle on its leaves. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. I will chant a secret mantra, which will turn it into the magic potion. A drop of this potion will transform any object into gold. Ramanatha was worried, but winter is only for a few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. You can plant as many trees as you want. But remember, you must look after them yourself and collect the dew with your own hands. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife, started clearing his large fields, which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows of banana trees. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected them, dew the farmer on them with great care. His wife helped him to Madhumati, gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price of it. Over the years, Ramanatha planted more and more trees and they had a huge banana plantation. At the end of 6 years, he finally had his 5 liters of dew. The meaning of tend. If you tend something or someone, you look after them. Next page. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered. Muttered means if some mutters, they say something very quietly and not clearly. A mantra over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops of dew on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold to his dismay. Dismay is a feeling of being very upset or worried. Nothing happened. This is cheating, he told the sage. I have wasted 6
Precious
years of my life. But Sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. She came with a big box. When she opened it, inside glinted. Glinted means something that glints, shines, or looks very bright. Stacks of gold coins. Now the sage turned to the
astonished.
If you are astonished, you are very surprised. Ramanatha and said there is no magic potion. There is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. While you looking after the trees, your wife sold the fruits in the market. That's how you got this money. It was your hard work that created this wealth,
Not magic.
If I had told you about this earlier, you would not have listened to me. So I played a trick on you. Ramanatha understood this wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on. Sudhamurti. About the other. Sudhamurti has born in 1950 in Chicago in northern Karnataka, India. Known as a social worker and she has written 19 books so far and has helped to build orphanages and libraries. మేము యూట్యూబ్లో వీడియో చేయడం ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఏమైనా మిస్టేక్స్ వస్తే ఏమనుకోమాకండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్.